Did you know that polygamy is a common practice among the Maasai, one of Africa's most iconic tribes? In the Maasai community, polygamy is characterized by men having multiple wives. Let's discover what this means for them and how this tradition shapes their lives. The Maasai are a semi-nomadic ethnic group living in southern Kenya and northern Tanzania. Known for their rich culture and unique traditions, they have a way of life that adapts to the demands of the African savanna. Polygamy, specifically polygyny, where a man has several wives, is a practice deeply rooted in their traditions and social structure. Today, we will explore the practice of polygamy among the Maasai, understand the cultural and social reasons behind this tradition, and see how it affects the lives of men, women, and children. For the Maasai, polygamy is not just a personal choice but a way to strengthen the family, ensure a large offspring, and demonstrate wealth and status. Let's discover how this practice especially impacts Maasai women. Next, we will understand how polygamy functions in Maasai society and what its effects are on the lives of women. Stay with us and learn more about this fascinating cultural tradition. The Maasai are a semi-nomadic ethnic group living in the vast regions of southern Kenya and northern Tanzania. With a population of about 1 million people, the Maasai are known for their rich culture and unique traditions that adapt to the demands of the African savanna. Historically, the Maasai migrated to these regions hundreds of years ago, establishing themselves as cattle herders. Cattle are the heart of Maasai culture, serving not only as a source of sustenance but also as a symbol of wealth and status. Owning large herds of cattle is a sign of prosperity and success. The life of the Maasai is intimately linked to the cycle of nature. They practice transhumance, moving their cattle herds from one place to another in search of pasture and water. This practice not only sustains their daily needs but also maintains the health of the herds and the land. Community is a fundamental part of Maasai life. They live in villages called manyatas, consisting of mud and thatch huts built by the women. The manyatas are surrounded by thorn fences to protect the cattle and people from predators. Maasai culture is vibrant and full of life. Their rituals, dances, and attire are deep expressions of their identity. The Maasai are famous for their colorful clothing, especially the red shukas, and their intricate beadwork jewelry. The dances and ceremonies, like the famous jumping dance, celebrate important events and reinforce community bonds. Rites of passage are crucial in Maasai culture. Ceremonies like circumcision for boys and girls mark the transition to adulthood, while marriages are community celebrations that unite families and reinforce alliances. Polygamy is an integral part of these traditions, where a man can have multiple wives, increasing his wealth and influence. With such a rich culture and a deep connection to the land, the Maasai continue to keep their traditions alive, even in the face of modern changes and challenges. In the next part, we will explore how polygamy functions in Maasai society and what its effects are on the lives of women. Stay with us. Polygamy, specifically polygyny, where a man has multiple wives, is a common and accepted practice among the Maasai. This tradition is deeply rooted in the tribe's culture and social structure, reflecting their beliefs and values. For the Maasai, polygamy is more than a personal choice. It is a cultural institution that strengthens the family and community. Having multiple wives and many children is seen as a sign of prosperity and success. Each wife brings a new connection, expanding the network of social relationships and strengthening community bonds. Marriages among the Maasai are significant community events, where alliances are formed and families unite. Polygamy allows a man to form multiple alliances, increasing his influence and status within the tribe. These alliances are important for social cohesion and collective survival. Polygamy also plays a practical role in the distribution of work and responsibilities. In a society where cattle raising and agriculture are fundamental for subsistence, having multiple wives means that tasks can be divided. Each wife takes care of a specific part of domestic and economic responsibilities, ensuring that the family prospers. This division of labor can lighten the load on each woman and allow them to specialize in certain tasks, increasing community efficiency. However, polygamy can also bring challenges, such as rivalries and internal disputes among the wives. Despite these challenges, many Maasai women find ways to cooperate and support each other. Life in a polygamous family can create networks of solidarity among the wives, where they help each other and share responsibilities, creating a supportive community environment. Next, we will delve deeper into how this practice impacts the lives of Maasai women. Hear directly from them about their experiences, challenges, and the resilience they demonstrate in their stories. Stay with us to better understand how polygamy shapes the lives of women in this fascinating culture. Maasai women play fundamental roles in society, taking care of cattle, children, and household tasks. In a polygamous environment, these responsibilities are often shared among several wives, which can ease the individual workload. Polygamy can bring benefits such as the distribution of domestic responsibilities. Each wife has a specific role, whether in fetching water, preparing food, or tending to animals, allowing for a more balanced division of daily tasks. Besides the division of labor, the presence of multiple wives can create a mutual support network. The women can help each other in times of need, sharing knowledge and experiences that strengthen social cohesion within the family and community. However, polygamy can also bring challenges. Rivalries and internal disputes can arise, especially when it comes to the husband's attention and resources. These tensions can affect family harmony and create complex dynamics within the household. Maasai women show remarkable resilience in navigating the complexities of polygamous life. They balance their traditional roles with the need to adapt to new circumstances, keeping their traditions alive while facing the challenges of modernity. For Maasai men, having multiple wives is a demonstration of success and the ability to sustain a large family. Polygamy is seen as a symbol of prosperity and social status within the community. However, this practice also brings additional responsibilities. Maintaining harmony among multiple wives and ensuring that all needs are met can be a significant challenge. Men need to balance their economic and social obligations to maintain family cohesion. Moreover, Maasai men have the responsibility of passing on traditions and cultural knowledge to the next generation. They play a crucial role in educating their children and maintaining the cultural practices that define Maasai identity. Children in polygamous Maasai families grow up in communal environments, learning early about their responsibilities and roles within society. Living with many siblings can promote a strong sense of community and solidarity. However, growing up in a polygamous family can also bring challenges. Parental attention may be divided among many children, and resources can be limited. Children need to learn to navigate these complex dynamics, developing resilience and adaptive skills. Understanding how polygamy shapes the lives of the Maasai gives us a deeper insight into their rich and complex culture. In the next part, we will discuss the contemporary changes and challenges impacting this practice. Stay with us. With the advance of modernity and increasing external influence, the practice of polygamy among the Maasai is being questioned and transformed. Many young Maasai are seeking education and new opportunities, leading to changes in traditions and family structure. Education is playing a crucial role in transforming Maasai society. Young people attending schools and universities are being exposed to new ideas and values that challenge traditional practices, including polygamy. Many of these young people are opting for monogamous marriages and seeking careers outside their traditional communities. Globalization has also brought greater awareness of gender equality issues. Organizations and activists are working to promote equality between men and women, encouraging women's participation in important decisions and questioning practices that may be seen as oppressive. These changes are not unanimous. While some advocate for the continuation of traditions, others seek ways to integrate changes that promote equality and sustainable development. The Maasai community is at a crossroads, where the future of polygamy will depend on how these conflicting forces are negotiated. Contemporary challenges and external influences are forcing the Maasai community to re-evaluate their cultural practices. The future of polygamy among the Maasai is constantly evolving as they try to find a balance between tradition and modernity. Polygamy among the Maasai is a complex practice, deeply rooted in their traditions and culture. While it brings benefits such as the division of labor and the formation of alliances, it also presents challenges, especially in the context of modernity and gender equality. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Each video is made with extensive research and brings new, surprising insights. By subscribing, you help us continue our work, exploring and sharing fascinating cultures from around the world. In the next video, we will explore a society where women take the lead in relationships. You can't miss it. Until the next cultural adventure.